Start talking.
Okay. My brother Kyle, this is Kyle, he wants to show you guys that there's something called a mob grinder on our Mario game.
Super Adventures.
What is it? Let's see. Super Mario Advance, Player's Choice. What's this game? For the Nintendo. He first showed. Okay, you can go on, Kyle. He first showed this to me when like at what 7 in the morning one day. He's like, Nathan, look what happened on our Mario game, Super Mario Brothers. He's like, it's something called a mob grinder. If you ever heard of Minecraft, it's something that's very common. So here, I never even knew this was possible, but. Sorry, I'm moving. Just got home from a cross-country meet, so I'm really cold. Yet. Sorry.
You have to say.
And I don't. You have to be the commenter. I talk. Well, no, when we get there, but don't you get the heart?
No.
Why not?
I don't want it! Jeez! It's gonna take a little while to get up. And if you want to sprint up, just press B. I usually just grab this and throw it and jump. And if I miss, just go in there, go back out.
Is this for the mom grader?
What? Yeah.
Okay.
This is for
so you pick up that one. What do it mean if you miss? Like,
if you miss, you just go back in.
Like what? You have to jump on top of it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, no.
Hit down so it's faster. There. Now once you jump on, you just write it down. Go mostly be safe.
Can you hold it straight?
Alright.
It's starting to tilt.
And once you get into the last level, you need to jump off like instantly. So this is the last level. I don't want to do that. Jump down. I did.
Ah, Kyle.
Sorry.
Yeah, let's try that again. Let's try to do this a little quicker. Okay, he's back here, so now we're back at the... Yeah, Kyle got 99 lives.
Just by doing this.
Sorry.
Peach.
Just by doing... You're gonna go on Peach.
Yeah.
See, hold on here. Hold it still for a second. Darn, it's blurring out. But he has 99 lives.
No, 97 now.
Okay, 97. But he got 99.
I died. There we go.
I gotta hold it up because it's starting to get blurry.
Okay, I'm just gonna write it down again. It's a lot faster. And it's a lot safer.
Safer?
Safer.
I'll learn how to pronounce your stuff. Good, and you got the hearts now. If you get hit,
you're fine for once.
Yeah.
You get hit twice,
you're dead.
You're dead. Okay, did not want to do that, but I'll just run down quick. You're gonna have to jump down so you can see it. No. There we go. Now you just wait up till you get 8,000. Now I'm at 4,000. 8,000. One life. Then you just
start getting thousands of lives.
And if you're just low on health and you're on the last level that's so hard, just go back to this world, do it.
And you got a whole bunch of lives.
Yeah. But it just takes a little longer. And that's just the Minecraft. And that's just a mob grinder on Mario
Okay.
Adventure. Bye!